So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you step-by-step guide how we have to build the app for the Juara Vibe Coding challenge. Okay, complete step-by-step guide. So stay tuned till the end. And first of all, you have to just open the GCP platform over here. Okay, you have to open the cloud console.cloud.google.com, and from here you have to just open the agent platform you can see over here. Just click on it. After you open it, you have to just enable all the recommended APIs from here. Okay, then we'll move forward to the next step, that is Agent Studio. So wait for the API to enable. Come to the studio over here, and from here you can see App Builder is there. So just click on the App Builder option, right? Now here define your app. You can define your app, you can build anything as they have not mentioned any of the restriction. Okay, let's see the problem statement also. So you can build anything, like you can build some basic games, some productivity tools, some education tools, some marketing tools, business, hobby, anything over here. Okay. Wellness also. So I'm just asking to create a app which helps and guides people about mental health. Okay. You don't have to copy exactly all the things. I'm just showing you complete pathway over here. Okay. And we have to deploy it on Cloud Run. Now simply hit enter. Now you can see the app is being created over here. So you can just rename it. Anything you can write over here. Now wait for the core app structure to get created. So finally here you can see this is our companion. Okay. So you can just interact with it. You can see the live preview of the app. Now comes the deployment part. So just click on deploy. You can see Cloud Run is here. Deploy as an app. You can just mention the name over here, whatever name you want, and simply click on save over here. Now the app will be deployed over here, and this is the simplest way to complete this challenge. This is one of the simplest way. I'll show you how you can get it access to all the things, how to do the submission. So just stay tuned and wait for the saving to get completed. So finally, you can see it's asking for enabling the API. So just click on enable. And this is done. Okay, so I understand, and just click on deploy app. It will again ask for some permission. You can just allow all the things. Now the files are being uploaded. This is the simplest method to deploy the project on Cloud Run. You must be seeing that a lot of people are saying that deploy using CLI command, etc. So you may face some kind of issue over there. Okay, so watch the video carefully. So it will take some time, and you can see the app is deployed. If you just open over here, you can see it is now working over here. Okay. So it's working fine. If you want to view whether the app is deployed or not, so what you can do, just come over here directly and just search for the run. Okay. And you can see we have successfully deployed it. And here is our URL, which we have to submit. So it's very simple. What I did, let me just repeat it again. So just come over here, agent platform, right click, open on a new tab. And simply what I clicked, I directly go to the studio. Okay, I go to the studio. First of all, I enabled all the APIs. Then I clicked on agent builder. Then whatever app you want to build, whatever criteria you want to add, you have to mention over here. And just mention I want to deploy on Cloud Run. After that, you have to just wait for the app to get deployed, and then simply deploy using Cloud Run. Enable all the APIs. You can rename the project also. Whatever you want to add, you can add. This is a sample project because I cannot participate in this opportunity. That's why I'm just making a demo video so that everyone can understand what we have to exactly do in this opportunity. Okay, now coming to the submission section. So for submission, this is the form. Okay, I've shared the form link also in the description box. From there, you can access the form. Now here, this form is completely in Indonesia. So you can just translate it to English over here. Now what you have to do, you have to enter the email with which you have registered in this particular program. Okay. After that, your first name, last name, Gmail used in GCP project. The Gmail which is used in the GCP project means you can use multiple Gmails for getting the credits also. If you need credits, you can just comment down below. Okay. So GCP project email means the email with which you have created the this account, Google Console account. You have to mention that email. Now here you have to mention the swag address, complete address over here and phone number for getting the swags. Okay. So let me just add a sample data over here so that I can proceed for the next steps. Okay. Pasting the same address, adding this phone number, and then after that they are asking for the Cloud Run link over here. So just copy this link. How to get it? I've already shown you. Paste it. Now you have to make a LinkedIn post. Okay, LinkedIn post about your project. You can explain over there. And while posting over there, you have to just add this hashtag. Okay, this hashtag you have to add and tag GDG Live Indonesia. You have to tag them. Okay, you have to tag them and then share the post link over here. After that, let me just translate so that you are able to understand everything in English too. So here you have to mention the problem, what problem you solved, like we build a project regarding mental health. So how it will, what is the problem? Why people are facing mental issues? You have to mention it. Now you have to provide the overview of the solution, that how you are solving this particular problem. And then you have to tell what is unique about the application, which category you are applying, productivity, wellness. I'm applying for wellness. You can just select that category. Now here they have mentioned selected projects. Okay, if you want your projects to get featured, you can just select off. Okay, and then simply click on next. Okay, so let me just paste it. You have to write all the things. I have to just show you. That's why I'm just skipping this part. Okay. So if you want to tell more about yourself, you can write about you. Have you used AI Studio? So just type yes, overall feedback, all the things, and then you can just do the submission. So this is how we complete this particular thing very easily. If you still have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.